Welcome back to Telhelp Guy. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your followers. Well, technically you can't hide them, but here's how you can do it. Go to your profile, click on the three lines on the upper right corner of the screen, and then what you want to do here is go to account privacy and then just select private account. Now, if your account is on a public account, anyone can see who you're following and who follows you. However, if your account is on private, they won't have access to that type of information. Now, unfortunately, there isn't really a way for us to remove our followers list from the main interface. Even celebrities can't do that. So the best way to do it is to just have a private account. That's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Telhelp Guy.